Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MCA new assignment of first year. And in this one, we are discussing NCS 212, question number 9, what is preposition? And explain with the help of an example, explain disjunction and conjunction with the help of truth table for each. So for this question, first, if you need answer of this question, so we are providing all answers of this PDF from all the codes. So if you need answers of this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below on the right corner, and 9009368238, and you can just call or message on this WhatsApp, and so we provide all the answers at your WhatsApp within a minute. And if you need any regarding this course, or if you need any help related to the other courses too, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video in the next question.